Hey guys, welcome to another CodeTech Nexus episode. In this video, I'm going to show you a new update that I made on my program to edit images made by AI, like the one you're watching here, for your t-shirt business, so that way you can make many designs before you even print your design, so that way you can advertise it on your social media. This program is called Design Frame. If you're interested on buying this program completely, or if you want to just do a membership, the link in the description. So let's begin the tutorial, so that way I show you how I created this design. So let's begin. All right, so let's start by telling AI, make me a tribal style logo of an Aztec warrior holding a sword. And we're gonna start with that, and we're gonna tell them make it with metallic gold effect on a black background. Remember, it is very important that you tell AI to make a simple color background, so that way it's easier to remove the background of the image that it's generating right now. It is rare that I get it right the first time, but we'll see what we got. And it looks not too bad, but instead of a sword, I'm gonna tell him make the warrior holding the sword up with one hand, and on the back there is a jaguar, because Aztecs and those cultures, they really love that animal, the jaguar. It was one of their gods too. So I'm going to create one. I think this looks amazing. I think this is the one. So I'm gonna download the image now, and I'm going to go to Design Frame. By the way, I made an update on this version number 5 now. So now we can customize the size of the frame, and the default is still the same, which is 900 by 900 size, but you can make it smaller or bigger depending on what you're working on, or you can turn the white frame or the black frame. But first, we're gonna remove the background of the image. So we're gonna go to Special Tools and select the background color remover, which is already here. I also made some arrangements on this program, and now I'm gonna upload the image that we just made with AI, which is this one. And then we're gonna increase the brightness a little bit so it looks more like metallic, that brightness. I think that will look great. Now I'm going to select with the color picker or the eyedrop icon the color that I want to remove. And now I'm going to increase the tolerance all the way up with the scroller, and then remove background. And we make sure that all the background has been successfully removed, and it has. So now we download this image, and it's going to download as a cropped image or a PNG with no background. So now we're gonna upload the image in the frame. We're gonna go to the PNG editor and select the cropped image, and we're gonna make it big. And I think that now you can see that there's no background, and it has been downloaded perfectly to the frame. And now we're gonna turn the black frame on, so that way we can get a look of how the image looks like. And actually the file that downloaded without the background, that's gonna be the same file you're gonna use for printing or outsourcing your DTF transfer. So but here we're gonna edit the image. Now we're gonna upload a black t-shirt that we have here. I like this angle of a t-shirt because this attracts the attention of people. I noticed that it looks more like muscle or stylish. I don't know, in my opinion, I think it looks better images like this. So now I'm gonna place the design. I'm actually gonna select the t-shirt and send it to the back. So we go to the PNG section and we go to send PNG back. So that way it brings the design to the front. You can see that now. You can do the same. Watch this, send PNG back. It's gonna send the design, but then you select this one and then it will bring the design to the front. So here you can see that now. Okay, so anyway, now we're going to make the image a little bit bigger, and or you can just pick on the design and it will bring it to the front. So okay, we're gonna place this here again, send it to the back, and now we're going to make this image bigger, I mean smaller, because it looks too big. For we want to make it as accurate as we can. So now, but we're gonna give it an angle that looks like it's it goes with the how this t-shirt is displaying. So we double click on the image and we just do this, kind of like compress the image, and you see that now it looks like it is on the angle of the front of the t-shirt. So I think that looks great. Now we're gonna download this sample and I can share this new design on my social media, that there's new model or new design for people that, like I have, you know, people from all countries. Latinos will definitely love this design. So I'm gonna download the t-shirt with the design. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It downloaded as design frame, of course. Look at that. See, that looks really nice. And you can do that with like a black, a white t-shirt. You can do with different colors. You can just change, keep it metallic, but just add like an outline. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So now let me show you a different background, a different sample. Actually, let's refresh this. So now let's say you're gonna do that on a white t-shirt. So I think I do have a white t-shirt here somewhere. I think it's this one. Now we're gonna make this t-shirt bigger, but you can see that this is a different angle. So it's not like the first one. I like the first one, and I actually created that what they call mock-up with AI too. So you can create same angle t-shirt but white. So now we're gonna upload the image with no background, the same one that we used for the black one, and we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, of course, with the knots. Just place it here on the front. Now here's two options. Let me actually make a clone. Let me clone this. I'm gonna move the clone here to the side. Now I'm gonna select this one and go to the text editor and change the color of the PNG. You'll see that it's going to turn black, red, whatever you wanna do. And yeah, now you see it doesn't look as good as on a black t-shirt, because this image, that's why I command AI to do it on a black background, because it is meant for darker t-shirts. However, let me show you a trick that you can do here on the sign frame. You can keep the original one and you can add a outline to the PNG. So watch this. I'm gonna select add PNG outline, and I'm gonna select a black color, and I'm gonna increase the thickness to maybe here and apply outline. You're gonna see an outline that's growing, and keep applying until you add enough. Don't add too much because it's not gonna look okay. I think if you add just enough to cover most of the design, but I think that's gonna look great right here. Okay, I think that should be good. So now you see it now looks perfect for a white t-shirt with the outline, and there it is. Now you have different styles for darker t-shirts like black, burgundy, navy blue t-shirts, or lighter colors like white, pink, or yellow, you know, whatever lighter colors. So yeah, this is how I edit my images made with AI using artificial intelligence and using AI. So yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And again, if you are interested on this newest version of my program called the Sign Frame, you can get buy the program fully pay one-time payment, or you can get a membership. I would really appreciate that. This will help me make more content and I make other stuff too. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you.